From the moment we first notice a pile of rusty bolts, bent wires, and forgotten metal scraps lying in a corner or discarded near a workshop, it is easy to overlook them as useless remnants of industry, worn out by time and weather. But hidden within these rough, corroded surfaces is a quiet beauty waiting to be rediscovered. From rusty bolts to rustic beauty is not just a creative idea. It is a mindset that invites us to look beyond shine and perfection and instead value history, texture, and character. Welcome to MewTube channel, a creative space where simple ideas turn into beautiful home decor and inspiring woodcrafts. This faceless channel is all about creativity, calm making, and handmade charm. Relax, get inspired, and enjoy turning everyday materials into warm, artistic creations. Transforming forgotten metal scraps into charming, rustic home accents begins with a shift in perspective, where rust is no longer a flaw but a story, where scratches are not damage but evidence of survival, and where each discarded piece carries a unique past that can be honored through art. When we embrace upcycling metal, we are embracing sustainability, creativity, and individuality all at once, turning what was once thrown away into something meaningful, decorative, and often surprisingly profitable. The process of transforming old metal into home decor is deeply satisfying because it connects the maker to both material and imagination. Rusty bolts, nuts, washers, gears, and broken tools may seem insignificant on their own, but when viewed with artistic curiosity, they become building blocks for rustic beauty. The weight of metal in the hand, the cold texture, and the earthy tones of rust create a sensory experience unlike working with new, polished materials. There is honesty in metal that has aged naturally, shaped by years of use and exposure. And when these pieces are cleaned just enough to preserve their character, they begin to reveal their true artistic potential. Each twist of wire, each welded joint, and each carefully balanced composition turns industrial discards into expressive forms that feel authentic and grounded. What makes upcycled metal art especially appealing as home accents is its ability to blend strength with charm. Rustic decor thrives on contrast, and metal provides this beautifully by combining hardness with warmth when paired with thoughtful design. A cluster of old bolts can be arranged into whimsical figures that bring humor into a space, while larger metal scraps can be shaped into wall art that adds depth and personality to a room. These pieces do not try to hide their origins. Instead, they proudly display them. The rust, the uneven edges, and the visible wear all contribute to a sense of history that mass-produced decor cannot replicate. This raw authenticity resonates strongly with audiences who are tired of uniform, factory-made items and are seeking decor that feels personal and soulful. Upcycling metal also offers a powerful creative freedom because there are no strict rules. Unlike traditional art forms that often demand precision and refinement, working with scrap metal encourages experimentation and play. A bent nail might suggest movement, a broken chain might inspire a sense of connection, and a twisted rod might become the backbone of a sculptural accent. The imperfections guide the design rather than limit it, allowing the artist to respond intuitively to the material. This approach not only reduces creative pressure, but also makes the process accessible to a wide audience, including beginners who may feel intimidated by more traditional crafts. Anyone can start with what they have, learning through exploration and discovery. Beyond aesthetics, transforming industrial discards into home accents carries a deeper message about value and responsibility. In a world increasingly aware of environmental impact, upcycling metal is a meaningful act of reuse that reduces waste and honors resources already extracted from the earth. If you're enjoying today's creative ideas on MewTube, your support truly means a lot. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your encouragement helps this faceless channel grow and keeps the creativity flowing. Each piece of decor created from scrap metal represents one less item in a landfill and one more example of conscious creativity. This story adds emotional and ethical value to the finished art, making it more appealing to buyers and viewers alike. People are not just purchasing decor. They are investing in a philosophy that celebrates sustainability and thoughtful consumption. The journey from rusty scrap to rustic beauty also has strong emotional rewards for the creator. There is a unique satisfaction in rescuing something forgotten and giving it a new purpose. Watching metal transform under your hands, slowly becoming something expressive and useful, builds confidence and pride. This transformation mirrors personal growth, reminding us that beauty can emerge from neglect, and that value is not lost simply because something is old or damaged. For many artists and makers, working with reclaimed metal becomes a form of storytelling, where each finished piece represents renewal and resilience. As these upcycled metal accents find their place in homes, they bring with them a sense of individuality that cannot be replicated. No two pieces are ever exactly the same, because no two scraps of metal share the same history. This uniqueness is highly appealing in interior design, where homeowners are increasingly seeking decor that reflects their personality rather than trends. Rustic metal accents work well in a variety of spaces, adding character to modern interiors, warmth to minimalist designs, and authenticity to farmhouse or industrial styles. Their versatility makes them not only artistically rewarding, but also commercially viable. Turning scrap metal into profitable art is a natural extension of this creative process. As appreciation for handmade and sustainable decor grows, so does the demand for unique, upcycled pieces. Audiences are drawn to the story behind the art, the transformation process, and the idea that beauty can come from unlikely materials. By sharing this journey, artists can inspire others while also creating opportunities for income. The combination of creativity, sustainability, and storytelling makes upcycled metal art especially powerful in today's market, where consumers value meaning as much as aesthetics. The charm of rustic metal decor lies in its honesty. It does not pretend to be flawless or polished, and that is precisely what makes it beautiful. Rust becomes a color palette, rough edges become texture, and weight becomes presence. These elements create decor that feels grounded and real, offering a refreshing contrast to disposable trends. Each piece stands as a quiet reminder that beauty does not need to be new, shiny, or perfect to be meaningful. In closing, the transformation from rusty bolts to rustic beauty is more than a creative project. It is a celebration of imagination, sustainability, and the art of seeing potential where others see waste. By upcycling forgotten metal scraps into charming home accents, we prove that even the most unlikely materials can become sources of inspiration, joy, and value. This process invites our audience to rethink materials, embrace imperfections, and find creativity in the overlooked corners of everyday life. Through patience, vision, and respect for the material, industrial discards are reborn as beautiful, expressive art that enriches homes and hearts alike, reminding us that true beauty often begins where others stop looking. Thank you for spending your time with MewTube. I hope these home decor and woodcraft ideas inspired you to create something meaningful. If you enjoyed the journey, like, share, and subscribe for more creative inspiration. Keep crafting, keep imagining, and see you again soon.